in the home. So that's why, like, we know about swastika and everything. So when we do Sakhya, we actually, to make it more elaborate, we actually do all the 8 symbols.
Oh.
So we do all the 8 symbols, and since itna time nahi hota hai, we limit it to maybe just the swastik. Aisa ho jata hai. So that is the whole thing. I mean, if you have to do the whole thing, then yes, I mean, it's like better to do all the 8 symbols.
ओ, तो वो शॉर्टकट की आदत हो गई है.
So let's, हाँ, अपनी शॉर्टकट की आदत हो गई है. तो जब भी टाइम मिलता है, we can accommodate all the 8 symbols in the Derasar. मतलब whenever you have a very auspicious day, or anything, तो ऐसा कर सकते हैं. So let's begin. I'll start with the Kalash. ठीक है? You all can hear me, right? You all can hear me, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So now I'm going to form a Kalash shape. सबसे पहले. तो तेजल दीदी, आप पूछ रहे थे ना, how to make the circle, like, how to get right circle. So while we are doing this, आप देखोगे.
चलेगा.
आज कौन-कौन है? How many of them are present today?
9, including you.
11.
No more. Okay. 11.
Come on, Priya.
This is going to be at least 1 feet, in diameter, close to. थोड़ा space मिलेगा.
So you're shaping just the one side, right? Not the other side yet?
Yeah, I'm doing the other side also. So the only way to form circle is to keep reshaping it and correcting it. That's the only way.
I see. But yours turns out to be so perfect. I'm like, okay, थाली या कुछ लगाया वैसे लगता है.
नहीं, वो आ जाता है धीरे-धीरे. Just some practice. आ जाता है. ठीक है. All right. Everyone has done this much?
Still working on the shape of the colors.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Are you
Do
able
that.
to see?
I am not able to see your
Okay.
design.
No problem. No problem. Let's see.
Yeah,
I'll
I'm
wait.
also trying to make that shape.
No worries. I'll wait for everybody because ये shape आता है ना तो ही अंदर का pattern set होएगा. So
Okay.
I'll wait. I'll wait.
मीता ऊपर और नीचे एग्जैक्टली सेम रहना है, राइट?
नहीं चंदन दीदी, ऊपर बड़ा है थोड़ा ये वाला
अच्छा,
पोर्शन.
ओके, नीचे छोटा है, ओके.
It is like this, just like a stand on the colors, you know. This is the
अच्छा.
stand.
Happy 2021.
Yes, happy 2021 everyone.
Yeah, happy 2021 everyone.
So हम लोग ऐसे ये shape कर रहे हैं अच्छा वाला, little elaborate one, but when you're doing all the 8 Ashtamangals, you can go short. मतलब you know you can just keep, make sure that you have the symbol. मतलब अगर जगह नहीं है या time नहीं है तो at least the symbol is there to represent. I mean you don't have to, you don't have to do everything elaborate because फिर. But this is just कि हाँ चलो अपने पास design है तो क्यों नहीं सीखें.
So bottom separate रखना है and top is separate.
I mean,
Okay.
it's a part of the colors. It's just a design.
I see.
Like this coconut. Imagine this is coconut.
Okay.
And then these are the leaves.
Okay. Man, you are so artistic.
Yeah.
कुछ दिन के बाद you guys will be rocking, I'm pretty sure.
Oh, your fingers just move. I don't know, and it's so perfect.
थोड़ा practice है दीदी और कुछ नहीं.
Beautiful.
पता है मीता, हम लोगों ने ये अब जो सिखा रहे हैं ना वो हमने कभी देखा भी नहीं.
Yeah, right.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have not seen this before.
So like I think Ashtamangal तो सबको everyone is aware of it. मतलब सबको पता ही होगा.
Not with the rice, you know. We have seen.
हाँ तो अभी एक्चुअली करते हैं ऐसे यहाँ पे. सो मैंने भी अभी जैसे मैं सीख रही हूँ मैं बता रही हूँ. यहाँ पे करते, they do it in the temple. वैसे घर पे रखते ही है, राइट? वी कीप दोज 8 symbols something like ऐसे घर पे रखते हैं ना, तो सोचा people are like also doing it at the temple.
Wow.
So,
इंडिया में लोग बहुत आर्टिस्टिक है मैम.
Yep.
I know.
चंदन ये देखने के लिए every year you need to visit India.
Oh yeah.
You will see
ये
that
बात
every day something. चातुर्मास में तो हमका कुछ ना कुछ देखने को मिलता ही है. अभी तो ये कोविड के हिसाब से सब बहुत कुछ अपने को यूट्यूब में ये तो अभी बहुत हो गया है, लेकिन रियल में देखना है तो इंडिया में टेम्पल में बहुत देखने को मिलता है अपने को.
मीता मेरा देखना जरा.
मैं आपका नहीं देख पा रही दीदी।
मैंने
You
वो
want to
पिक्चर
WhatsApp? You want to
भेजा। हाँ,
WhatsApp?
पिक्चर भेजा।
ठीक है, मैं WhatsApp में देखती हूँ। So थोड़ा आप शेप को सिमेट्री ला सकते हैं? थोड़ा सा
अच्छा, ओके
सिमेट्री में ला सकते हैं तो अच्छा रहेगा।
ओके। अभी मीठा दिख रहा है थोड़ा मेरा?
एक्चुअली दीदी मैं किसी का वीडियो नहीं देख पाती,
किसका भी
तो
नहीं देख।
तो आप मुझे फोटो भेज दीजिए ऑन द व्हाट्सएप। आई कैन सी दैट।
ओके।
भेजा दीदी?
मैन वो क्वेश्चन मार्क भी कितना सुंदर आया मेरे को। वो क्वेश्चन
Yep.
मार्क ही नहीं आ रहा है। कान, मेरे तो कान दिख रहे हैं।
क्या दीदी? कुछ नहीं, आ
How did
जाएगा।
you make the leaves? वो ऊपर का वो जो श्रीफल, how do you do that?
I mean, just shaping it.
Wow.
There is no trick as such. मतलब just ऐसे ही shape कर रही हूँ मैं।
मीता,
हाँ?
now you know how much artistic you are.
Oh come on दीदी, कुछ नहीं। I'm pretty sure। देखना, after a few months, you guys will teach me. You all are going to teach me.
मेरा श्रीफल तो माउंटेन की तरह बन गया। Sorry, but
Stop दीदी दीदी। Look at this.
all my stuff. Okay.
Yeah, symmetry is the problem to get, एक साइड आता है तो दूसरी तरफ नहीं
हाँ
होता।
वो दूसरा ये मैसअप हो जाता है।
Oh, and you have weapons. Wow.
5 more minutes to
Oh my
आराम
god.
से करो।
Like, dang.
ओ मैन, ऐसा लगता है आपने पेन से ड्रॉ किया है।
Like, I feel like I always die here.
I give it in writing. आप लोग थोड़ा दिन करोगे ना, you guys will teach me then. देखना, I give it in writing.
I honestly feel like it's glue.
मेरा श्रीफल ठीक से नहीं आया है, बट लीफ भी लग नहीं रहा है लीफ है।
कोई नहीं, no worries about श्रीफल। खाली कलश का make sure you have enough space. That's it.
Yeah.
बाकी no worries.
Okay.
We can always make it neat later.
Okay, I'll just make the handles and I'll send you picture then.
Why did you pass the bunny without report? I honestly think it's blue. Oh, I just voted blue. No, I skipped. Oh my god, there's so many different people. What do you mean? Like one person saying, like I'm saying lime, or that person saying lime. I'm saying blue. Lime was saying yellow.
Tejal, yours is good.
Oh my
બો-
god.
પેટ વાળું કલર્સ લાગે છે.
ચાલે અમેરિકન કલર્સ છે તો મોટું જાડું.
I know.
बढ़िया दीदी, all of you very nice. Urvashi दी, तेजल दी, awesome. चलो
I was in shock.
તેજલ તારું હેન્ડલ કેવી સરસ આવ્યું, આટલું પેનથી કર્યું.
I know.
I saw like
मेरी
no.
तो केटली, मेरी तो केटली
मेरी भी ऐसी बन गई है.
धमपेटली.
हाँ तेरी केटली दिख गई.
मेरी केटली आ गई है ना. और वो कान को, माय गॉड.
अच्छा मेरा भी ऐसे ही है.
Yeah.
ઉર્વશી, show yours.
मैं મૂક્યો છે ફોટો છો.
Yes.
આ તારું કેમેરા ઊંધું કર ને.
ઓ આ ઓકે આજો.
Oh, that looks good
Oh,
actually.
beautiful. Yeah.
મસ્ત થયું છે.
હા not bad, I mean ઠીક છે.
નહીં, મસ્ત ઉપર પાનનું બી શેપ સરસ આવ્યું છે.
सबके बढ़िया एकदम बराबर.
A what?
शुरू करें?
हाँ.
ઉર્વશી,
હા
ટેક આઉટ સમ રાઈસ. આટલા બધા રાઈસ અંદર નહીં જોઈએ, પછી તને સાથીઓ ને બધું કરતા નહીં ફાવે. સો ટેક આઉટ રાઈસ ફ્રોમ ધ મિડલ.
ઓકે you're right.
જો મીતાના કેટલા અચ્છા અચ્છા છે એવી રીતે.
હા
એટલે અત્યારે લઈ લે અને પછી એકદમ અચ્છા અચ્છા કરવા.
okay got it.
मीता,
Sorry, what?
वो जो हैंडल डाला ना, वो कैसे डाला आपने, एक बार बताएंगे?
Same thing. I'm also struggling with that.
So let's say अपने ये रखे यहाँ पे राइस.
हाँ.
So from inside like a question mark.
Oh. अच्छा.
And then on the other side, the other one.
मीता तेरा क्या है पता है मीता, तेरी उंगलियां पतली पतली है.
कुछ नहीं दीदी, इतनी मोटी है देखो.
मैं वो करती हूँ, मेरा तो पूरा राइस ही जमा हो जाता है.
मीना बहन के भी पतली पतलियां हैं उंगलियां. मीना बहन आपका कैसे आया बताओ.
मीना तारो फोटो मुक.
Actually, I don't have room because for this post Dasmi, I am doing 12 Satya and 12 Gauli instead of 12 Satya. So my table is full. I can show you that.
ओ हमने ते फोटा मुक्या था ये.
ના ના ના, that is different. એ બાર અલગ હતા, આ બાર અલગ છે.
ओ ओके sure share ने.
તો મારા
मीना
ઉપર
बहन, you can
મારા ઓલા
also.
પિક્ચર ઉપર ફોકસ થાય તો હું બતાવું.
हाँ दीदी, I don't have a focus. Maybe you can send a picture to me or to on the WhatsApp group because I'm not able to see anyone.
मीना तारो कैमरा ઊંધો કરે તો થશે.
હા, એક મિનિટ કરું.
नीतू किसमें बिजी है?
અરે બાપરે, આટલું બધું કરેલું છે.
फोटो કર્યું છે એને જો.
ઓ માં,
सेना बना रहे बस.
કેટલું સુંદર કર્યું છે મીનાબેન.
मीना
So
वो सारा
right now I don't have room. What you are doing?
Hey, I can't see her.
મીનાબેન નું હું નથી જોઈ શકતી.
Oh, મીનાબેન એક और बार बताओ पूरा.
If you scroll the screen, તમે જો ફોન પરથી હશો ને તો પાર્ટિસિપન્ટ ઓલું જે સ્ક્રોલ કરશો ને તો આવે છે.
Yeah. Who
બહુ
is
સરસ કર્યું છે મીનાબેન.
મીનાબેન?
Very nice and neat, huh, Meena?
Yeah, very neat, I know.
પરફેક્ટ
I
સિમેટ્રી
know.
બી બરોબર છે.
I'm not able to see anyone.
એટલે જ્ઞાન દર્શન ચારિત્ર બાકી છે હજી, એટલે that I will do on the same day.
बाद में मीना बहन क्लास के बाद आप फोटो भेज देना प्लीज.
ठीक है.
Cool. चलो शुरू करें.
हाँ आदि.
Alright, so first we begin from here and we go down along with the border. We do another line. Similarly on the other side. ठीक है.
Okay.
Then from here again we go up. From here go around this and take this line up. Similarly here. ठीक है. But after this 4 sections. इतना हुआ सबका?
मैंने भी ना चावल ज्यादा डाले तो मेरा
थोड़े निकाल ऐसे
मेरा
बीच में
भी वही हुआ. चावल ज्यादा तो पूरा जगह ही नहीं है बीच में.
हाँ जगह नहीं है ना. तभी I was trying to say कि इसको थोड़ा स्प्रेड करके बड़ा करो.
हाँ.
I'll wait दीदी, कीजिए आप थोड़ा इसको स्प्रेड कर लो आप.
Raja Rani.
Oh, that was Raja Rani.
हाँ, उनको अजीब लग रहा है ना, मैं अंदर आके रूम में बैठी हूँ, कर रही हूँ ना, तो दे आर नॉट यूज्ड टू.
Oh.
Everyone wants you to be by them, Urvashi.
हाँ, क्या हुआ?
मैं बोली everyone wants you to be by them. अकेले अकेले नहीं.
और कोई नहीं, खाली राजा रानी को मैं चाहिए.
No, no, no.
So cute.
I did
Really?
send my picture and videos.
Acha. Have you sent the video? Let me look at it.
I think Meeta left.
I think she's looking at Meena Ben's.
No, I got disconnected while doing that.
Oh, okay, yeah, you did, right? Yeah, that's what it showed. You left, okay.
I'm back. Yeah. ठीक है.
चंदन, अच्छा हो गया चंदन.
हाँ.
Yours is looking good. Your
हाँ,
teeth
मैं
are looking good.
शेप करते जा रही हूँ
Oh.
उसको.
अच्छा लग रहा है.
Now I can see Chandan Didi's. Yeah, now I can see. I think when you guys share, I can see. Yay! Finally.
Okay. Yay.
Meeta, you saw? Meeta,
Yes.
देखा?
मीना बेन देखा आपका, बहुत बहुत pretty है. Very nice.
Very
Very
good.
nice. Thank you
This
so much for sharing.
These colors I will do after post Dasmi.
Acha, acha. This colors, yeah, you can do after post Dasham. Very
Yes.
nice. Thank you for sharing and teaching us. Thank you. Okay, so आगे करें अपन बड़ों में आगे.
हाँ.
All right. So when we stop here, ये वाली line, we come down, and then ये वाली line लेके we go up. Then next is this one. Go up.
Oh, we have to be very careful at this part.
इसमें थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग है.
हाँ.
Everybody okay?
ये हो गया भूल भुलैया. Next Monday अगर कोई ने मीना बेन, you can also teach us some Gauli.
Yeah, I have always told Meena Ben to take one class at least. कब से कह रही है?
नहीं लेंगे, no problem.
ये
वो बीच का मुझे देखना पड़ेगा कि वो बीच का
ये तो साथ्या है, लेकिन गौली निकालते हैं ना. I will teach newcomers that one.
मीता, you are changing the phone or something. मेरा आपका वो चला जा रहा है.
Oh,
आपका
is it? I'm stable here. You're not able to see me?
हाँ,
I see your-
अब आया है.
Okay.
वो बीच में जो आपने छोटा सा साठिया किया, वो
हाँ.
वो करना जरूरी है या
नहीं, वो करना जरूरी नहीं है. एक्चुअली क्या हुआ कि मेरा थोड़ा अनइवन हो गया और वहां पे स्पेस रह गई. सो आई जस्ट फिक्स इट देयर, बट जरूरी नहीं है. You don't have to do.
Yeah, for that one, I think we need to get the earbud or something and do with that.
Brian, you want to watch me do trash? Don't know why she asked you, but okay.
छोटा गैप बैठ ही नहीं रहा है.
They don't worry, Tejaldi. It's not necessary to do that. वो मैंने, I just did it as a fix for me because I had that space over there.
Because you guys have more rice in the middle. Take out some rice and you will be fine. तुरंत आ जाएगा फिर साथिया. थोड़ा राइस ले लो बीच का, तेजल.
अच्छा.
Yeah, take out the rice. अभी थोड़ा हाँ लाइट करके then you do साथिया. एकदम अच्छा हो जाएगा. Yeah.
Bless you, bless you, bless you.
Yay. बैठा बैठा बैठा. Nice. Perfect.
बस अभी थोड़ा आजू बाजू एकदम थोड़ा क्लीन करते जाओ तो एकदम होगा एकदम परफेक्ट.
Very nice, everyone. तो दूसरा और एक अष्टमंगल करें सिंबल. Shall we do one more?
Yeah, we can do, I think.
We can do, no? तो एक सिंपल वाला करते हैं एंड टाइम मिला तो और एक सिंपल वाला करते हैं. तो what I'll do is see, we've already done first one swastik, we've already done Nandavar, we've already done today Kalash. आज और एक कर लेंगे mirror. तो we'll be left with other 4. Those other 4 are very easy. तो I will make a video. तो अपना अष्टमंगल भी पूरा हो जाएगा. And maybe in the coming class फिर बड़ा जो गौली करना है वो एक बार करके and then probably I can take forward with you all ki how we can assemble the small sakhya and make it more the bigger one. मतलब छोटे छोटे सब assemble करके how you can incorporate and make a bigger one. So that way you can make a bigger sakhya and then we can complete the classes. फिर मीना बहन ले लेंगे.
So from Ashtamangal, this is the first one you just did, right?
नहीं, the first one from Ashtamangal is Sakhya.
Oh, okay.
The basic Sakhya. तो ऐसा है, like the first one is the basic Sakhya, and then I think Swastika, and then it is Shri Vatsa. Shri Vatsa is again we'll do it. It's a very simple one. We'll do it. फिर Nandavarth है third one. Then Vardhamanaka, that's the fourth one. Bhadrasana, that is the holy seat. It's a royal seat. Then Kalasha, what we did today. And then Meen Yugala, it's a twin fish. And then Darpana. The last one is Darpan, the mirror. Okay. So those are all sort of easy. So that's why we did Kalash today, क्योंकि इसमें थोड़ा time जाता है. The others are easy. Even if I send it in the video, you all can catch up. So let's do Darpan now. ठीक है ना? Shall we?
चलेगा.
This Kalash could be confusing actually. अभी आपको देख देख के किए हैं, खुद से करेंगे तो मुझे लगता है I'm going to easily miss it something.
आप सब वीडियोस रखना, जो भी वो वीडियोस भेजूंगी ना.
हाँ.
वीडियोस
ये इसका तो मीठा का वीडियो रखो और you can see even on YouTube.
YouTube में भी है ये सारे.
YouTube में देख के करो, एकदम परफेक्ट आएगा आपका. इसमें ये रिकॉर्डिंग भी है तो ये रिकॉर्डिंग भी देख के कर सकते हैं, मतलब मीठा का.
या
तो भूल नहीं आएगी मतलब.
या वो प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो भूल जाएंगे कोई भी चीज.
In fact, if you go on YouTube ना दीदी, हजारों designs है. There's so much, you know. So depending on your interest, like every day, let's say एक साखिया सीखना है, you can go on. मतलब इतनी अच्छी designs है.
Oh,
There's
really? Oh.
इनफैक्ट आप लोग के साथ साथ मैं भी नया नया सीख रही हूँ, couple of things, तो इट्स लर्निंग फॉर मी ऑल्सो.
तुमको तो आता है, मीता ऐसा नहीं है.
कसम से दीदी, like every time we learn something new.
I know, we learn
Oh,
something. That's
me
correct.
too. Your variation is also very nice, हाँ. नीचे पत्ते अलग टाइप से दिए और ऊपर का शक्ल का very nice.
No, thanks, Chandan.
नीतू आप बताना मुझे, okay? Maybe in the picture because I'm not able to see. I'm not able to see it.
मैंने
She
ना
did it on WhatsApp.
Oh, she
did-
has? Okay,
Yes, yes.
let me do that.
बहुत अच्छा. Oh my God. I mean, very neat.
Oh, so pretty. So pretty, Neetu. Very nice.
Thank you.
Lovely variation.
Mhm.
And that's that he shared.
दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है भाई, आईफोन लिखा हुआ आता है.
अरविंद आंटी वो WhatsApp के इस पे डाला है उसने.
मैंने नहीं, मैं व्हाट्सएप पे, मैं जूम पे हूँ.
नहीं वो आप वो उसको नीचे करके आप WhatsApp पे देखेंगे ना तो वहां पे डाला है नीतू ने.
Are you exhausted?
So this one is like upside down ways.
Are you
Shape?
exhausted?
Upside down what?
Yeah.
Ways.
चंदन तुम्हारा नाम ही दिखाई
Love?
देता है.
Oh,
तुम्हारा
yeah.
नाम ही दिखाई देता है. अभी आया देखो, और बाद में अभी चंदन आया.
This is the handle of the mirror. ये handle part है.
Oh, yeah.
Doing the mirror part. Okay.
Why?
So kind of oval.
Yeah. Kind of. I didn't know. I just read this. These Ashtamangal symbols, they have been there for millions and millions of years. It's nothing new. Like they've always been there. They've always been there for eternity. So surprising, right? Huh? Echoing, right?
अरविंद जी आपका म्यूट कीजिए, वहां से इको आ रहा है.
ओके, मैंने बंद किया.
नहीं वीडियो नहीं. हाँ कुछ तो
Somebody has two devices maybe.
हाँ 2 devices. हाँ अब नहीं आ रहा है.
So the upper part is like round or
It's oval. I'm trying to make it oval.
I see.
ठीक है, and then we make a little circle here, oval circle here.
One second, Amita, don't proceed this. I'm still trying to get the shape in.
Yeah. Please do that.
Okay. I think that's the best I can get. Okay. You just draw an oval around like a mirror.
Like a mirror, yeah.
मुझे बिल्कुल ऐसे लग रहा है जैसे मैं आईना ही देख रही हूँ. Wow.
Yeah, I know. Mine is like round a little bit. It didn't become very oval.
Didi. I mean, aina can be of any shape, right? I mean, this is just
Right.
one shape. You can do round, you can get creative. I mean, you can do any. Yeah. This is good, Tejal Didi. Very good.
अच्छा.
बहुत अच्छा है. You can give whatever shape and design you want to do here around. अंदर एक simple सा साखिया कर सकते हैं, and that's it. So something like this.
So you're doing the circles, right?
Yeah, just to show some design. नहीं तो ऐसे simple भी आप कर सकते हो. Because the object, I mean, the main purpose is to show the object, and the object, the symbol is the mirror. But ये सब accessory है. All these are cosmetic designs.
I see.
आप खाली वो दर्पण का उतना करके भी रखो तो भी काफी है. Even Sakya, like the main thing is we show the symbol of the Sakya. Decoration and all is just for, to be involved and spend more time. And, we feel that we learn something, अच्छे भावना आती है या जो भी है. But the purpose is to at least make sure that we incorporate the Sakya symbol.
Mhm.
ખબર નહીં જતો રહ્યો બધું એટલે મને પછી યાદ
Okay.
So isn't this strange to know? Like people knew about mirror and everything since like years, millions of years. It's nothing like science.
કર્યો એવું લાગે છે ફર્સ્ટ ક્લાસ.
I know, बिल्कुल ऐसे लग रहा है मिरर ही है.
તેજલ, very nice.
It looks like tree to me. બહુ ગોલ થઈ ગયું છે કલ્પવૃક્ષની જેમ એકદમ. But thank you.
Yeah, very nice. I am also doing the kangura, looking at you, Tejal.
I know.
You gave that nice, curly around the. I like that.
It looks nice. बाहर का, अच्छा एजिंग दिया चंदन तुमने.
नहीं, I love you. You are doing.
Oh, nice,
that.
चंदन दी. देखा मैंने. Nice.
मस्त लागे छे.
Very nice. Nice, Tejal di. Very nice.
Okay. Now 4 parts.
Wow. Neetu is fully नीचे बड़ा सा कल्पवृक्ष जैसे ही लग रहा है सचमुच में.
Pretty all of you. इतना हुआ सबका?
हाँ.
Shall I move on?
Yeah.
So then we can do. ये हमने सीखा है पहले, तो we can incorporate that. Hello?
Yep.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, we are here. सन्नाटा हो गया अचानक.
Yeah.
All are
एक
engrossed
शांत हो.
in. Yeah.
Nice. I can see Chandan di.
मेरा एक्चुअली अंदर का सर्कल छोटा सा हो गया, तो मुझे वो अकोमोडेट नहीं हो रहा है.
हाँ. Yeah, that's a good fix.
Maybe.
So, just while reading, ये पता चला कि Ashtamangal is just not in Jains, it is also there in Buddhism, and it is also there in Hindu, of course. So कहने का मतलब कि वाकई there is something very powerful about it, right? अभी तो and it is there since eternity, like many, 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 many years. So
For
which
real?
is,
Even in Buddhism?
yeah, they also have the Ashtamangal. Can you believe? Yeah. But they have little slightly different symbols, not the same that we have, but they also call as Ashtamangal. Like Kalash and all, I think is same. उनके भी है ऐसे.
Oh wow.
तो कहने का मतलब कि वाकई इसमें कुछ तो होगा. This must be that is something, which is
Yeah.
is there for so many years.
Do they use rice as well to draw?
I haven't read much about them, but while I was just going through, I just
very interesting.
Came across the meaning कि भाई, yeah, I mean it is revered in many religion ऐसे. Nice. सबका हो गया, I guess. So yeah, we did at least 2 symbols. Nice, Chandan di.
वो मेरा अंदर का सर्कल बहुत छोटा हो गया ना, so I had to like really
Redo it.
redo
But now
it.
you know how to fix it. You know, the best part is you know how to fix it. So
Yeah, you have taught us how everything can be fixed, but we have to have an eye for teaching us that.
no, that feels so good. Like, you know, when you know where your mistakes are and then you know how to catch and fix it. So अच्छा लगता है. हो गया सबका?
Yes. I think
Yay.
so. You can take a picture.
Can you all share?
On WhatsApp?
If you can show me on the video, ठीक है. Otherwise, yeah, WhatsApp. I was thinking if anyone can volunteer for the coming class in the next class to uh, cover a part of a theory of Sakya and everything. Just a little bit, like why we use rice, why we do Sakya. Anybody?
Is it okay if we tell it थोड़ा सा before the beginning of next week, like that? मतलब by weekend?
Yeah, by weekend. Like if anyone can volunteer, maybe we can also put it in the group. So you know, there are certain questions. You know, those questions, if they can find an answer, like why we use rice. You know, what is the significance of Sakya? I'll put some more questions. You know, so unke answers.
अच्छा. You want us to search the question and answers?
Yeah, I mean, feel free to cover any sort of theory related to Sakya. That way, you know, that way we know what is the significance of it, why we do, and how it's going to help us. And also, importantly, like ये सब decoration हम करते हैं, but more than decoration, भावना होनी चाहिए. तो symbol आ जाए, साख्या सही से हो जाए, that's more than enough. This is just extra what we do, just to spend more time. ऐसे सब. You know why some people ask कि भगवान ने तो सब छोड़ के बैठे, why we do elaborate, ये सब क्या करने की जरूरत है, decoration क्यों करते? So the answer for that also, like, you know, the answer is यही कि भाई this is a way to हमसे छूटता नहीं है ना, चीजें हमसे छूटती नहीं है, तो doing this हम मतलब we are trying to क्या कहते हैं, छोड़ने की कोशिश करते हैं. So it could be anything, could be rice, it could be fruits, could be anything on a daily basis, right? तो मकसद तो वही है. So some nice explanation on that, and that it's going to help everyone.
That's so pretty.
Thank you.
Mast hai Tejas. Very nice.
Yeah, Chandan gave a good idea, you know, to make those curves in there. But
yeah.
No, definitely, you know, I think I agree with you, you know, okay, our whole all and all goal should be, you know, different than just sitting and decorating. But, you know, when we sit and do this, we engage ourselves into a positive energy.
Very true. So that's what we need an you know, small write up key, because people ask ना भगवान तो सब छोड़ के बैठे तो हम इतना सब क्यों करते हैं? So the answer is like हम अपने लिए तो करते हैं ना, नहीं करते? We do everything for that.
Yeah.
And when God has given us in abundance, then we need to give some time and something in abundance too, right? Bhavna again. So ऐसा सब कुछ कोई we can just write up and just post it in the group. That way everyone has an answer for everything.
Sure. I will share एक like ये प्रमुख महाराज like दिगंबर मुनि है, तो किसी ने वही बोला कि भगवान तो सभी जगह है, तो why do we need to go to temple? भगवान is within you and wherever आप याद ध्यान करो तो भगवान है, तो why do we have to go to temple? तो फिर उन्होंने वो बोला कि हवा कहाँ पर है, तो बोले हवा तो सब जगह है। बोलते हवा तो सब जगह है, तो फिर when you need to fill up air, why do you go to tire store or somewhere where you can fill up the air? हवा तो सब जगह है, why can't you fill it up? Then he said नहीं, वो जो प्रेशर चाहिए टायर के लिए, तो वो हम बाहर की हवा से वो प्रेशर नहीं ला सकते। तो बोले बस यही बात है, आप मंदिर में जाके आपको वो जो प्रेशर से वो भगवान की आराधना जो पूरे फोकस से जो मिलती है ना, वो हर जगह नहीं मिलती करके।
नहीं मिलती है। वेरी ट्रू दीदी।
बहुत अच्छा तरह ने उन्होंने समझाया कि हर चीज हर जगह है, बट जैसे अभी बच्चों लोग ऑनलाइन कर रहे हैं, घर में ऑनलाइन कर रहे हैं, आई कैन सी द बिग डिफरेंस। वो सीरियसनेस है ही नहीं। आई मीन द ग्रेड्स आर फॉलिंग एंड वेरी फ्यू पीपल आर रियली एबल टू फोकस। बोलते हैं ना वो कीचड़ में भी कमल जैसे हो तो कीचड़ में भी वो खिलते हैं, बट सब जन लोग कमल जैसे नहीं रह सकते
ना। यस दीदी। अब हर कोई महावीर स्वामी भगवान जैसे नहीं होते कि खुद ही you become केवल ज्ञानी। So we are not there yet. I mean, we are way too behind. So yeah.
बहुत अच्छा, two Ashtamangal you did really beautiful, nice. I think I will need more practice for the Kalash one. वो मैं फिर करूँगी।
Sure दीदी, I'll अभी बस शाम में by tomorrow I'll send the video also. धीरे-धीरे I'll send it and सारे अष्टमंगल पूरा ही कर लूँगी। I'll finish all the 8 mangals and send the video. I think नंदावर्त वो सब तो हमने किया ही है, but yeah ठीक है, maybe I'll put the separate video for Ashtamangals, so that way we all have it.
मीता आप ना पूरे एक साथ मत डालो, आज के जो 2 किए ना वो वीडियो और नेक्स्ट क्लास में जो 2 करोगे वो वीडियो, 4 वीडियो ही डालना, फिर हम लोग को एकदम बहुत सारा देख लेंगे तो कंफ्यूजन हो जाएगा। हम लोग छोटे बच्चे किंडरगार्टन के।
नहीं दीदी नहीं होगा कंफ्यूजन, बिकॉज आई टेल यू व्हाट, जो डिफिकल्ट थोड़ा था ना वो हमने कर लिया। अभी जो बाकी के ऑब्जेक्ट्स है ना, दे आर वेरी सिंपल।
ओह अच्छा, ठीक है। अगर मेरा तो कोई बात नहीं।
हाँ फिर अब ये हो जाएगा पूरा, सो विल बी डन विद इट, है ना। मतलब अपना एक क्लास में अच्छे से प्रोडक्टिव हो जाएगा ऐसे। एंड देन फिर नेक्स्ट क्लास विल ट्राई टू इनकॉर्पोरेट एंड मेक अ बिगर साख्या विद। सो नेक्स्ट क्लास इफ यू ऑल कैन देन प्लीज हैव सम, आपको जो भी चढ़ाने होते हैं साख्या में, गेट ऑल योर ड्राई फ्रूट्स या जो भी आप चढ़ाना चाहो, श्रीफल या व्हाटएवर, तो दैट वे हम सजाएंगे साख्या को एंड बड़ा कर लेंगे। सो मे बी that could be our last class ऐसे, so we can do that.
हेलो। Oh my God, मीता हमसे छुटकारा पा रही हो?
अरे नहीं दीदी, come on, ऐसे मत बोलो। It's not like, no, we can continue for another 1 or 2, मतलब और कुछ है तो मुझे लगा कि
आ गया था हमारे वो मीना बहन है ना, she can substitute.
Yeah, she करेक्ट मीना बहन और जो नए न्यू कमर्स आए हैं तो डेफिनेटली नीतू आल्सो एग्जैक्टली। तो बहुत कुछ, then it will be more fun. This thing should go on, है ना।
Yeah, I know. I was thinking, no, weekly once अगर आधा घंटा भी मिले ना, but only poor, Chaital bhai, we have to use his
Zoom, yeah. Chetal bhai attend nahi kare, but at least he's making sure he's giving us the connection. Going okay. Videos, I think he posts it, so people can always watch it. You wrote 8?
Yes, Ashtamangal ka 8.
अरे हाँ, और one more important thing दीदी, one more very important thing याद आया. तो ये जो second symbol है अपना, what is it called? Let me recall. Second symbol is, first is swastika, right? Second is Shrivatsa. So Shrivatsa is an auspicious symbol, and it says that symbol symbolizes कि भगवान हर जीव को एक समान compassionately देखते हैं. So again, when we talk about our animal thing and Jeev Daya, it is right here. Again, it's there, big and bold.
Oh wow.
Yeah, be it छोटे से छोटे जीव से लेके बड़े तक सबको भगवान एक समान देखते हैं, and that is the second symbol, Ashtamangal.
So Shrivatsa is that Rushabh kind of a thing, right?
It is just like infinite loop sort of, I think. ऐसा कुछ है.
Okay.
वो करेंगे, मैं भेजूंगी वो. I'll do it.
Okay.
I'll do it.
क्योंकि विष्णु सहस्त्र नामम में भी ना श्रीवत्सा का आता है, उनका एक नाम श्रीवत्सा है.
हाँ, राइट. तो ये अपने सिंबल का सेकंड सिंबल है, श्रीवत्सा. तो अपने में different meaning, for them it's a different meaning.
Okay, thank you, Amita. It was a very knowledgeable class too.
Thank you all.
Yours is looking very neat, very cute. बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, Chandan.
Round 1 is looking very pretty actually. बहुत perfect round आया आपका तो.
हाँ, very perfect, very beautiful Tejal di, very neat.
Thank you. आज पहली बार थोड़ा सा अच्छा हुआ है. But
very
the
nice.
fatty fingers.
मस्त है. See, fatty fingers कुछ नहीं है, ये आपका कमाल. Very nice.
Thank
Yay,
you.
everybody. So
Neetu, show yours.
Yeah. Neetu and Saina are patiently doing it.
Saina है हमारी छोटी.
Chandan is there in the group, in the WhatsApp group.
Oh, you put
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा है. नीतू का भी बहुत अच्छा है. बहुत एकदम neat and clean.
Oh yeah, बड़ा वाला एकदम. Oh, she did put the same thing in here, in this also. I know, बड़ा अच्छा. Very nice.
नीतू आपने ग्रुप में डाला है?
Yeah.
WhatsApp में डाला है.
Oh yes.
Very
nice.
neat.
Saina's is also so nice, sweet.
Thank you.
Saina का किधर डाला है?
Saina ka, I have to still put her mirror, but the other one I think I already put. Kalash one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very nice. Neetu ने अच्छा लंबा हैंडल किया. That looks
Pretty.
very nice.
Yes.
Pretty. Yay, all of you.
Very nice, Saina. Beautiful.
Very nice. Awesome job.
Today,
everyone.
Manish is...
You know, Neetu, आपका ना मुझे विंडमिल जैसे भी दिख रहा है. मुझे ना कुछ नया ही नया दिखता रहता है.
Actually,
Chandan di.
the middle part I've done it. Beach wala jo hai, right? I've done it little different.
Oh. Yeah. You've accommodated a different one. Very nice. अच्छा लग रहा है.
Yeah.
Very neat and nice. So I mean, all of you are giving so much time to it. और कितना अच्छा लग रहा है सब साथ पे करे. Really, thank you all. I mean, this was not even expected. ऐसा सोचा था 2 जन. There were 2, Tejal di and I think Chandan di. We started off with just two, and then सब जने आए, तो मुझे भी बहुत मजा आ रहा है throughout this.
Yeah,
And
I
everyone
think
is
Amita, you should continue.
मोना की आज कल्पना बहन भी है क्या, पता नहीं, आज मोना की मम्मी है.
so nice. Newcomers, welcome to you all. Are they still there? Anyone?
आंटी आंटी, वो मैंने उनको खाली बोला कि म्यूट करने को, वो बाहर ही निकल गए.
चलो, cool.
ओके मीता, जय जिनेंद्र, खूब खूब
जय
आनंद.
जिनेंद्र everyone.
Jai Jinendra. Thank you, Mita.
Thank you,
Oh,
Mita.
thank you everybody.
Yeah.
Lots of love to you all. Thank you so much. Take care.
Jai
Wish you
Jinendra, everyone.
wealth,
Jai
happiness
Jinendra.
to a new year 2021.
Thank you, and you all the same. Lots of love and happiness, success, peace, spirituality, everything that we all need. Take care, all of you.
Take
Same
care.
here. Thank you so much, Meeta.
Bye. Good night.
Thank you so much.
Good night.
Bye. Good night. Good day for me. Bye, Chandandi. Bye.
Good day. Good day.
Bye.